If you forgot your iPhone password, don't panic. You're not locked out forever. There are a few things you can try. But keep in mind, if you can't remember the passcode, Apple's official solution may require you to erase the iPhone. First, check if you recently changed your passcode. On newer versions of iOS, Apple may give you a short window to use your previous passcode. If that option appears, tap Forgot Passcode and follow the instructions on the screen. You may be able to enter your old passcode and create a new one. But what if that option isn't available? Then you may need to reset the iPhone. Before doing this, remember that resetting the device can erase the data stored on it. So, if you have an iCloud or computer backup, you can restore your information afterward. To reset the iPhone, turn it off first. Then put it into recovery mode. The exact button combination depends on your iPhone model. Once you see the recovery mode screen, connect the iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC. On a Mac, open Finder. On Windows, you can use the Apple Devices app. Your computer should detect the iPhone and give you the option to restore it. Choose Restore and follow the instructions. After the process finishes, the iPhone will restart. You can then set it up again and restore your backup if one is available. One important thing: if activation lock is enabled, you'll still need the Apple account information that was previously linked to the device.